traders, how are you? Vladimir here from Home Trader Club, and in this video I would like to share with you my further analysis and trading plan on the dollar yen. This will be a follow-up to the trading idea I shared with you in the weekly forecast and a couple of weeks before, where we planned the sell from the key zone. Okay, ready? Let's begin. So a very quick reminder, if you didn't watch this video before, and I highly recommend to watch it. You can find it on the right top corner of this video. You would find there the link to where we started to watch for dollar yen sell, and mainly why. Okay, so long story short, as a quick reminder, I don't want to duplicate my explanations. Again, you can find it on the video, but this was our key zone. Okay, a very strong supply area, broken support that becomes a resistance, and the control. Look at this huge, massive bearish candle that represent sellers. Sellers took major control from this moment. So as soon as we entered this area and the market was doing higher highs on the chart versus lower highs on the histogram, this was a clear indication of a slowdown. Okay, besides that, if we go to the lower time frame, that's where we started to watch for the reversal sign. And one of these reversal signs we were following from this very top was on the 1 hour chart, 2 waves. So what we wanted to see was basically straightforward, the break below this low in 2 waves, and then 2 waves to the upside, and further sell with the breaker. So this sell went, as you can see, faster than usual. Okay, the market is not always making such moves. We are talking about 400 points approximately. And then we, on the last weekly forecast I shared with you, I do anticipate further continuation down after this pullback at the beginning of the week. Again, we can see how the market continues directly to there. So our target zone was exactly the place where we see the dollar yen at the moment. So the biggest question we have now is it over, or there is more to come? So again, this is a key zone, and it's a great place to consider your management. Okay, it depends on the risk reward, of course. Assuming you are involved, you can consider how you manage the exposure to this trade, but cashing out partial, cashing out fully, and looking to rejoin with pullbacks, etc., etc. Again, depends on your management. Okay, but is it over? And that's where I still have my doubts. So based on the most recent rising supportive line, we still have a bit of room. Based on the bigger supportive line, then we can see that there is a big room to the downside. And this means that if we will see the market holding the current level and pulling back, there is a potential that the market will try to make another move down towards the rising supportive line and the big supportive zone we have here by breaking this resistance now will behave as a strong support. So this is exactly what I would be looking at. Going down to the 4 hour chart, there are no signs against, only on the 1 hour chart, which makes me think that this whole movement that this pair currently has is basically making something like 3 waves down, will attempt to make any sort of a pullback here. Okay? We might get this rally as well, and then very possibly another final move down. Okay, so until the 4 hour will start to create a bullish divergence signs where the market will make lower lows, but the indicators will start to indicate it's over. At that moment, there is nothing against, no reversal signs, not on the daily, not on the 4 hour chart, only on the 1 hour chart. Okay, again, with all these waves we were talking about, the 3 waves, only on the 1 hour chart. Okay, and yes, short pullbacks are very welcome. Back to this key zone or the broken resistance, support that now will behave as a resistance. and the next one is here. Any pullback towards these key levels is very welcome, but from there, with high probability, the market will look for further reasons to continue to the downside. Okay, so this is the update on dollar yen, the follow-up, and further trading plan based on higher time frame levels. Let me know what do you think about this one in the comment section below this video. And I would like to take the opportunity and thank Mugan Markets for supporting me, my channel, and my community. The special offer I have with Mugan Markets you can find below this video in the description, where you can get your access to all of my products and enjoy that with the special partnership offer I have. Okay, again, all the information in the link below this video in the description. So thanks for watching, and I would like to thank you once again for your time and to invite you to our trading family, the Home Trader Club, where you will get your access to our full trading courses, real-time trading ideas, real-time trading education, and so much more. Join our family with the link below this video in the description. Best to you and yours. Thanks for your time. See you soon with more. Good trading.